Concrete Trimmings is 25 years in business. We serve Southern Ontario. There is no small or big jobs. We do residential, commercial, and we strive for quality.
Concrete Trimmings, we specialize in quality of concrete. We do driveways, we do patios, walkways, steps, curbs, just about anything you can do in concrete. We do residential, we do commercial, pretty much anything that we can do, we do. We specialize in exposed aggregate concrete finish and brush finish. You can add color to the concrete and modify it to your liking, and we specialize in just quality of work. Here at Concrete Trimmings, people ask us about our warranties. We let the customer know we have a 1-year warranty with the quality of our concrete. We have a really good crew. They specialize in good quality work. They treat every house like it's their own, and we make sure that everybody gets what they're looking for. At Concrete Trimmings, you can call us anytime via calling or email. We come out and give you a free quote for whatever it is that you're looking for.